सिंह, आप लोगों के इतने पंख लग गए हैं क्या? पता नहीं होगा मतलब
आने का मैंने
कहा है आपके एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर, बुलाइए जबलपुर के।
उसमें मिस्टेक किए हो गए, मैंने
उनको भी जेल भेजना है क्या?
मेरी 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 एक हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है।
नहीं, एक आप लोग कोर्ट को बहुत हल्के में ले रहे हैं। एक्चुअली क्या हो गया है, वी आर नॉट दैट दोज कोर्ट्स।
Lord, understand.
Try to understand.
Lord,
we are not sitting in the lap of the government.
Lord, certainly, Lord.
We are independent constitutional authority,
Yes, Lord.
and we wish to continue till we retire.
Yes, Lord, certainly, Lord. And we are also, Lord, we are also standing here because of blessings of your Lord.
No, not
otherwise.
You are not here because of the blessings of the courts. You are there because of the blessings of the government.
No, Lord. As a lawyer, Lord, as a lawyer, government is
sorry.
Government may come and go, Lord, but as a lawyer, we will always.
These things should not happen.
Lord, certainly, your Lordship may kindly.
I am imposing cost on your chief engineer and ask ordering departmental inquiry against him. लिखिएगा. Shri Mohan Lal submits that High Court had passed order dated 1st April 2024 passed in NWP 6227/2024 wherein it was mentioned that certain employees were classified as permanent while award dated 6/8/1998 passed by the presiding officer of the Labour Court Balaghat. Awards were enclosed along with the writ petition as Annexure P2 to P10. Thereafter, once petitioners were classified as permanent, they are entitled to benefit of permanent classification from the date of their permanent classification in the light of the law laid down by the Supreme Court in the case of Ram Naresh Rawat versus Ashwini Ray and others 2017 का 3 SCC 436. Next para. It was further submitted that since petitioners stood permanently classified, circular/policy dated 7/10/16 will not be applicable to the petitioner's case and they are to be governed by the law laid down by Supreme Court in Ram Naresh Rawat. Thereafter, direction was given to consider the cases of the petitioners for regularization in the light of the judgment of Supreme Court in Secretary, State of Karnataka and others versus Uma Devi and others 2006 का 4 SCC 1 and not in terms of GAD circular dated 7/10/16. Next one. A compliance report filed IA 8268/24 was filed along with the affidavit of one Bharat Singh Adme, Executive Engineer, Public Works Department, Division number 1, Balaghat, and in this compliance report it is mentioned that respondents have decided the representation of the petitioners by order dated 19/9/2024, copy marked as Annexure R1. Next one. The perusal of Annexure R1 dated 19/9/2024 is signed by Vanshri S.C. Verma, Chief Engineer. तभी अब आप तब चीफ इंजीनियर थे क्या? अच्छा, तो दूसरे वर्मा जी,
वो तो उनका ट्रांसफर हो गया सर.
चीफ इंजीनियर, पब्लिक वर्क्स डिपार्टमेंट, जबलपुर डिवीजन, जबलपुर, wherein it is mentioned that in terms of the directions issued by Honorable Supreme Court in State of Karnataka versus Uma Devi on 10/4/2006, government had issued circular dated 16 May 2007 and all the 7 petitioners were not found eligible for regularization in as much as at the time of their appointment there were no sanctioned posts available and the provisions of reservation were also not followed, with further stipulation that their recruitment was not in terms of the rules and other conditions were not fulfilled. Next one. Thereafter, Chief Engineer has mentioned that in terms of the Finance Department circular issued by Government of Madhya Pradesh, Vallabh Bhavan Mantralay, bearing number F5-1/2003/1/3 Bhopal dated 7/10/2016, all the daily wages have been given benefit of regularization, full stop. Copy enclosed as enclosure B, full stop. though no enclosure B is enclosed, but this order of compliance prompted this court to pass orders on 24/3/2025 in the present contempt petition, clearly observing that the authorities are trying to fool the court. Full stop. This tendency is, full stop. At this stage, Shri Bharat Singh Lanet, Additional Advocate General for the state. अब Additional Advocate General भी ऐसे अपेयर होते हैं कि इंडिविजुअल कैपेसिटी में अपेयर होते हैं कंटेम्प्ट में. Your engagement is different from your capacity.
Yes, Mr.
Shri Bharat Singh, Advocate, Additional Advocate General, Advocate submits that state has withdrawn order dated 24/3/25. Full stop. Next where? ये कौन है भाई, किसका मोबाइल चल रहा है ये? उसको बोलिए पुलिस वाले को, जो पीएसओ को यहाँ पीछे बैठेगा, घूमता रहता है. जब तक कोर्ट चल रहा है, he should sit here. हाँ, क्या लिखा? 25. How? And only full stop. Next where? He submits that orders of the High Court will be complied in letter and spirit within 2 weeks. Next where? On his request, 2 weeks time is granted. However, not without imposing cost on the chief engineer to pass the order of compliance dated 19/9/2024, trying to fool the court and not reading the orders of the court in the correct perspective, and reading the orders mischievously. Full stop. Chief engineer is directed to deposit a cost of ₹1 lakh from his own salary account through his personal account pay check, which will not be debitable to the public exchequer, for misleading for trying to mislead the court by passing mischievously fraudulent orders, dehones the spirit of the orders of the High Court. Principal Secretary PWD is also directed to conduct departmental inquiry against the Chief Engineer for playing fraud with the High Court by bypassing the orders of the High Court and passing mischievous orders, so to blindfold the High Court to submit that compliance has been made. Full stop. Principal Secretary of the department will initiate departmental inquiry against the Chief Engineer and shall make an endeavor to complete it within period of 3 months and submit its report to the registry. Full stop. 2 weeks time is granted to make the compliance of the order, and while making the compliance, if the stand of the chief engineer is to be maintained, then all documentary evidence in regard to the documents pertaining to the appointment of the petitioners, number of vacancies which were available at the time of their appointment, the roster which was available, and the roster points will be brought by the engineer-in-chief on record. Engineer-in-chief shall again remain personally present if the compliance is not made on the next date.
Lord, मेरी एक humble prayer थी. अगर परमिट करें तो
List on 9 अप्रैल 2025. चलिए.
अगर एक परमिट करें भाई तो एक मेरी,
हाँ बताइए ना.
लॉर्ड वार्निंग देके छोड़ देंगे, लास्ट चांस होगा.
नहीं
बात से
नहीं आपके अधिकारियों की टेंडेंसी कॉस्ट भी है,
आगे से बिल्कुल
कॉस्ट भी है और डिपार्टमेंट इंक्वायरी.
और आगे से हम खुद ही चाहेंगे कि ये बिना मीटिंग कराए इस तरह का ऑर्डर, नॉनसेंस टाइप का ऑर्डर ना पास करें.
चलिए नेक्स्ट.
नॉट कुछ कॉस्ट
नहीं दोनों चीजें बराबर.